Hello everybody, this is X from YIJING House, and today I'm back with the series Bazi for career success. For today, I'll be sharing with you on the specific day master for matter, namely Keng and Sin. So please pay attention if you have matter as your own day master or even for your family members or friends. So firstly, I would like to talk about a strong day master. So if you have a strong day master, then you will be suited to work in the following industries: FCMG, logistics, aquatic, metaphysics like me, education, commodities, tourism, and agriculture. Secondly, let's talk about the roles that you are more suited in. You can be in sales roles, operational, creative roles, management roles, and strategic planning. And if you are thinking to start or a business or be your own boss or be an entrepreneur, you're actually suitable to do it. Next, let's move on to a weak Meta Day Master. A weak Meta Day Master will be suited to work in the following industries: real estate, mining, insurance, finance, legal, hardware, jewelry, and automotive. As for the kind of roles that you are suited to be in, it will be planning, HR, finance, senior management, and C-suite roles. By the way, you are more suited to be an employee rather than an entrepreneur or a boss. I'm sorry that I have to disappoint you. Okay, don't be too disheartened, as some employees can actually climb up, climb very far up, and still achieve success. Okay, you are also more suitable to work with teams rather than individually. So I hope now you have a clearer picture of the industries and the roles that you are more suitable to be in. And by the way, I want to highlight that being in the right role and right industry makes your path easier, less obstacles. Okay, it doesn't mean you cannot excel in other roles or other industries. And as working adults, we are always able to pick up new skill sets, even in the wrong industries or wrong roles. So, okay, don't be too disheartened if you realize that, oh shit, I'm not in the right industry or right role. Remember about the cosmic trinity, you still have the man part, okay, where you are in control of what you can do. I also wanted to put forth a disclaimer here. These are more generic readings and there may be exceptions depending on the actual parts chart itself. So this is the end of today's lesson. Next week I'll be covering the day master for the last day master for water. Okay, so stay tuned. I hope you liked the video today and you have learned something from it. Please remember to like the video and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye. Know your fate. Master your destiny.